I'm Nate Bean and I'm the owner of Integrity Automotive Maintenance and Repair. We are a full-service automotive center, servicing and maintaining most makes and models of domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. Today's complex vehicles require very specific equipment and very extensive training to properly operate and perform the repairs. So finding a professional and certified technician is critical to having your vehicle repaired properly. The differences you'll find between Integrity Automotive and other service centers is our professionalism. Our technicians are all certified. We provide the best warranty in the industry, and our quality of repairs is second to none, giving you peace of mind that you can know that when you leave our service center, your vehicle's repaired properly the first time, and you can comfortably and safely drive to your next destination.